velvet seats are holding empty space. A quiet kindness on each faded face. The heavy curtain breathing in and out. A silent promise killing every doubt. And we are waiting for the world to fade. A lovely lie, a perfect masquerade. Just for a moment, let the darkness fall and show us something that is true for all. The exit signs are burning soft and green. The strangest stars I think I've ever seen. The air is thick with history and dust. A fragile temple of a fading trust. And we are waiting for the world to fade. A lovely lie, a perfect masquerade. Just for a moment, let the darkness fall and show us something that is true for all. The lights begin to dim. A slow goodbye to this one room beneath this one same sky. A flicker on the screen, a waking dream. The sun is bleeding on the sea. The person that I'm meant to be is standing right in front of me, so beautifully and quietly free. The waves are washing out the sand, a story I can understand, held in the safety of my hand, a quiet and a promised land. And the final sunset is a soft goodbye beneath a vast and endless sky, a reason that I cannot cry the moment that we learn to fly. The air is cool, the day is done. The final race has not been run. The battle's neither lost nor won. Beneath the tired and weary sun. And the final sunset is a soft goodbye. Beneath the vast and endless sky. A reason that I cannot cry. The moment that we learn to fly. And I'm not looking for a sign. This quiet victory is mine. This beautiful and sweet design, so perfectly and so divine. And the final sunset is a warm goodbye. Beneath the vast and endless sky. A reason that I cannot cry. The moment that we learn to fly. The lake is calm, the shore is deep. The promises I couldn't keep are sleeping in a gentle sleep. A harvest that I'll never reap. I see it just beneath the blue, so beautifully and sadly new. The ghost of me, the ghost of you. The sky is gray as silver sheet. The rhythm of the sleeping street. A feeling oh so bittersweet. A victory and a defeat. And the harbor wakes to a brand new day. The ghosts of night just slip away. I wouldn't have it any other way, but I just wish that they would stay. The water's calm as sheet of glass. This perfect moment slow to pass. A lonely and a hopeful mass. A shadow on the dying grass. And the harbor wakes to a brand new day. The ghosts of night just slip away. I wouldn't have it any other way, but I just wish that they would stay. And in that sound, so deep and low, a place where quiet feelings grow, a seed of peace I mean to sow, the only home I'll ever know. And the harbor wakes to a brand new day. The ghosts of the air.